Alright then.
Go.
Right then, okay. Start her up. She's been started up before. We're going to start her up again. Stop.